Get ready because the iconic Buell Blast is back, and it's coming in 2025, faster, meaner, and ready to shake up the motorcycle world again. Welcome back, riders. You're tuned in to Biker's Choice, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today we've got something special for you, and it's bound to get your engines revving. The Buell Blast, an iconic entry-level bike that made waves back in the early 2000s, is making its highly anticipated return in 2025. We're here to break down everything you need to know about this legendary machine making a comeback in the modern world. Buckle up, this is going to be one wild ride. The return of an icon. If you've been in the motorcycle world long enough, chances are you've heard of the Buell Blast. Released initially in 2000, the Blast was Buell's attempt at creating an affordable yet thrilling entry-level motorcycle. Fast forward to 2025, and Buell has decided it's time to bring back this fan favorite with a bang. Whether you were a fan of the original or you're just learning about this bike now, there's no doubt that its comeback is one of the most exciting developments in the world of motorcycles. What's new in the 2025 Buell Blast? So what's changed since the original Blast? Well, a lot, actually. First off, Buell has modernized the engine to meet the latest emission standards, while still keeping that signature raw power and punchy feel the Blast was known for. The 2025 version will sport a refined 500cc single-cylinder engine that offers a smooth, responsive ride without compromising on performance. They've also upgraded the suspension and handling, giving you better control whether you're tackling city streets or hitting the open road. But that's not all. The 2025 Buell Blast will come equipped with the latest tech, including advanced LED lighting, a new digital dashboard, and even smartphone connectivity for diagnostics and ride data. For riders who want a fun, no-nonsense bike that feels connected to the modern era, the new Blast is the perfect blend of old-school charm and cutting-edge technology. Who is the Buell Blast for? One of the standout features of the Buell Blast has always been its accessibility. It was designed to be a beginner-friendly motorcycle, perfect for those who are new to the sport. The 2025 version stays true to that vision, offering a low seat height, lightweight frame, and an engine that's just powerful enough to give you that adrenaline rush without being overwhelming. It's a fantastic option for new riders looking to step into the world of motorcycles. But it also holds plenty of appeal for experienced riders who want a fun, low-maintenance bike for everyday riding. Buell's vision for the future. The return of the Buell Blast is more than just a trip down memory lane. It's a sign of things to come. Buell has always been known for pushing the boundaries and rethinking what a motorcycle can be, and this comeback is no different. As part of their larger vision, Buell aims to continue producing bikes that offer an exciting, raw and authentic riding experience. By reintroducing the Blast in 2025, they're proving that they're not just stuck in the past. They're pushing ahead with fresh ideas and innovation for today's riders. Conclusion: 2025 is going to be a big year for Buell, and the re-release of the Buell Blast is only the beginning. Whether you're a first-time rider or a seasoned pro, this bike is sure to turn heads and deliver an unforgettable riding experience. So if you've been craving something new but still want that old-school Buell thrill, the 2025 Buell Blast might just be the bike you've been waiting for. Make sure to stay tuned here on Biker's Choice for all the latest updates as we continue to follow the Blast's exciting journey into the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and more. See you next time, and ride safe out there.